Yeah, this trading technique has to be used only when the market is loitering between 20, 30, 40, less than 50 points up or down. Okay, so as I have already told you that one, if the market is operating between 60, 70, 80, 90 up to 100 plus side, or 60, 70, 80, 90 up to the minus 100, then as usual, how you are doing this one, regular trading by getting the stocks qualified by the two super trends and then waiting for the W to happen in the CMO RSI, that you can do that one on those days. There is no problem. When the market is extremely bullish, like day before yesterday and the budget day, ranging between 300 to 500 points, either in the upward direction, or some other days when there is some bad news is there, the market may be there between minus 300 to minus 500. On those days, as I have already told you that one, in the new scalping trading technique using 6.4 minutes, wherein you will have to ensure that the MFI is coming below the MACD 223 and buying at all MACD bottom crossing as soon as the MFI comes below that, or CMO RSI bottom crossing in that one, because the market is very extremely bullish and all the stocks every 5 minutes it will be giving one buying chance. Same thing it is there on the extreme bearish days. So MFI has to go above the MACD 223 and then you'll have to short at every 223 top crossing. That is new scalping technique, and day before yesterday it has been written in the Telegram. So these two things are very clear. These two things should not be mixed in between. If there is any 100 points up is there, then don't use this scalping method. Or if there is any extreme bullish conditions are there, means then if you go for the 13 minutes or the 11 minutes using that regular trading method, you will not get an entry point at all, because RSI will be there always in the overbought condition in case of bullish day, or oversold condition on the bearish days. Okay, so don't mix that one. Do that one as it is been explained now. But the problem comes when the market is there 10, 20, 15, 30 points or 40 points, like today up to the 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the market was just loitering between 30, 40, 50 points only, less than 50 points. It may be there on the bullish side, it may be there on the bearish side, doesn't matter. This is a flat market. Usually I used to tell the new students on the flat days you do not trade. See that one up to the 11 o'clock or 11:30 if the trend is improving. If the trend is not improving, discard trading on that day. But now we don't want to discard that day also. We can use that one using this charting method. In this charting method, I have used Bollinger Band 7 into 0.25, and the upper one is only ticked here. The lower one and the middle one has been unticked here. That is a yellow color one. This is a yellow color one. Similarly, RSI is being taken here. The upper version has been removed. Only the lower version has been kept here. Okay, so this is all the change. Rest of the things are one and the same only. Here super trend is not essential. If it is there also it's okay, otherwise you can remove that one. Here you can go for upper one because this is a shorting technique. This is a 32. This is how you should set your chart. Okay, rest of the things are one and the same. So how to trade in this one? Usually I will tell the people not to go for the pale red or the pale green stocks. Only stick on to the most bullish stocks on the bullish days, and stick on to the worst performing stocks here on the bearish day. But here in this condition, you can go up to the pale green or the pale red stocks. What is the condition? The condition should be the MFI should be flying over the red. I will show you the exact one. If there is like this, you see, this is called MFI. The Bollinger Band is not MFI. This Bollinger Band is flying above the red here. It was going like this every time. It is going below that. Keep seeing. Now it has crossed above that one. Then also just see. Now it is completely bent over. The red started previously when the red was penetrating the yellow here. It was just going down here. Allow that fellow to fully go down. So the direction of the red is towards the downward direction. So then now the stock is confirmed shorting here. When this type of things happens in your trading in any of the stock, only this thing, nothing else than that one. Only when a stock exhibits this type of yellow color Bollinger Band top curve flying above the average curve of the RSI 4 into 9 here, then this particular stock should be shorted here. Where it has to be shorted here? Here, when the W second leg is closing here. W's first leg is there, W's second leg is there, and here you don't get that chance to enter here. Only things when the second leg of the W is going to start, there you will have to create a short. Here you will have to create a short somewhere in this range. Okay, here you can short create it. See that one, what will happen? The stock will be continuously going down. Okay, till when this yellow color goes below the red here, till then you keep the short here. When once the red and the green matches with each other and the yellow color goes below the red here, you just square up the position here. For example, let us see. This is not qualified because this is not flying off from the above that one. That's why initial stages it has come. You see here it has happened here. Then the next shorting stock is here. Had you shorted this one, you would have got this one. But this is belong to the yesterday, so you cannot do this one. Such things should not be considered. The same thing should happen after 10:30 here. Okay, let us see. No, the same thing is happening here. As soon as that one is there, you see W second leg is getting short here, but this belongs to the yesterday. That's why you are not able to get this one here. IndusInd Bank, no. Bharti Airtel, keep trying one by one. Yeah, this is okay. Here if you will have to slightly use this scroller also. If you are getting like this, here it is there. Chances are that still you are going to get here. For understanding this one, you can do it like this. I can go for the intraday chart, but in the 11 o'clock intraday chart will not be coming. So that is why I am going for the 1 minute, 1 day chart of 6 minutes here. So when you are seeing the situation like this, and the stock has fallen yesterday, and the stock started going up, okay. It started going up and it is taking a turn here, means that in the roller it will be flying off here. Or if you are not getting this point, leave it. Cipla, yes, it has happened here, but this has happened and you cannot. You have to enter here and the next here, then you will enter here. After that, the stock has opened here. No problem. Don't consider this. You see, this is Bosch, I have already explained. Titan. So don't go for this most extreme red conditions here. Come to the pale green stocks. You see, it has flown off here. The market is started going. The stock started going down. No. No. Yes. So create a short somewhere here. Here, a very top crossing, Bajaj Auto. This is a perfect one. This is how you should get, like Bosch. You got it like this. So you'll have to keep on checking that one. It should go like this. Okay. The next top crossing of this one, either here or here, you can create a short. Okay. As soon as this fellow goes below the red here, square up the position here. Mother Sumi, yes, perfect. Without zooming, without scrolling, if it is happening, then this is a pakka shot here. This comes only in the pale red and the pale green area. Beautiful, you see. Even after some time you can go for this buying also, but since this will be there in the red side, don't go for the buying here. So stick on to this one. When this is going up like this, that is a confirmation that this is going to fly off from the red after some time. At the same time, CMO RSI is also top crossing here, and then you can create a short here or you can create a short here and hold on to this one till this yellow and red bottom crosses here. Now I am coming to the pale green area. Pale green area is also like this only. HDFC, no. RBL, yes. You see, it has flown off here, and then next top crossing is this. After that, it is continuously going here, and this is Glenmark, Gale. Perfect shot. See here. Don't search here. I have shown you here. Don't search anything here. Directly go to the pale red and the pale green stocks on the flat days. Is it Naukri? No. No. 1 or 2 stocks if you get it, that is sufficient. Yes. See here. This is if you are getting this one by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So if it 12 o'clock passes, then don't go for this a one day chart, go for the intraday chart. Okay, only intraday chart, because up to 12 o'clock the chart will not be forming here. So after 12 o'clock, go for this one, but at least this much of chart will be forming here. Let us see. You see here, flying off, instant bank, perfect. Okay, you can create a short here. When the W second leg is forming, Doji will come here, short him here. As soon as it covers here, get out of the position. Bharti, no. Tata Motors, yes. These are all the things you did not get it when you are using the one day chart here. Now you are going to get that. So on those days what you do is have one day chart as well as 6 minute chart. Check individual stock in both the things after 11:30. So whichever the one you will get it, you can use that one here. Now where I was, ICICI Bank, no. RBL, yes. Cadillac, I think this fellow will be good in one day chart. You see, in one day chart it will be seen. Otherwise in the intraday chart also you can say have two charts. One is intraday chart, one other is one day chart. In whichever the one you will see, the yellow color is flying above the RSI red average part here. Then the next W second leg formation, Doji will come here, create a short, and when this yellow color comes below that one, cover the short. You see here, it has flown off. Next here is this 14,922, 888. Huge profit you will get it. This is very fun, beautiful one. First time I am introducing the intraday chart after 12 o'clock. The same thing you see this one in the one day chart. There also it is coming. Nifty. Oh, this is a Nifty only. You see, when once the Nifty crossed the red from the bottom top to bottom here, the stock started getting covered. The Nifty started going up. Everything is happening here. Yes, super. You see. Next top crossing. सीधा जाता है. So this is how you should trade on those days. This pale green, pale red also can be traded on the flat days. On those days, you don't go for this and don't go for this. You will not get the. Today also nobody could able to trade this except in the Tata Power was there, result oriented was there. Jubilant Food was also yesterday. The result was bad, but still the people started taking the positions in that one because it was there in the downward direction, and then final leg of upward has happened here, and then Sun TV, that is the only stock which gave the profit today to all the people. So this is how you should trade and every day. Thank you very much.